Today we are going to read the story Mittu and the Yellow Mango from your book Marigold NCERT Class 1. Let's see what happens in the story Mittu and the Yellow Mango. Mittu and the Yellow Mango. Mittu was a parrot, a green parrot with a red beak. One day, Mittu was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. Oh, so Mittu is a parrot, a green parrot with a red beak. And one day Mittu was flying. He loved to fly. See, he is flying in this picture. And what did he saw one day? When he looked down, he saw a big yellow mango on a tree. See, Mittu is looking at a big yellow mango on a tree. Mittu liked mangoes. I want to eat that yellow mango, he said. He flew down to the tree. So Mittu loved eating mangoes and he wanted to eat that mango, so he flew down to the tree. Cow, cow, go away, this is my tree, said a voice. Whose voice is this? Who is saying cow, cow? Whose voice is cow, cow? Can you guess? Who is this cow? Who is this bird who is doing cow, cow? Yes, it's a crow, said a voice which was crow. Mittu saw a big black crow. Cow, cow, go, go, the crow shouted. So Crow was not happy looking at Mittu near his mango tree. Or we can say he was not happy to see Mittu near his big yellow mango. So he started shouting on Mittu and started saying, Go, go, go away, this is my tree. He had a very loud voice. Mittu was afraid of the crow, so he flew away. So Mittu was afraid of crow, he flew away, and what do you think? Now Mittu won't be able to eat a big yellow mango, or Mittu will come up with any idea to come back to his favorite big yellow mango tree. What do you think? Well, I'm not able to guess, so I will find out by reading further. Mittu saw a red balloon. It was under a tree. Oh, so Mittu saw a red balloon which was under a tree. Look at the picture. See, Mittu found a big red balloon under a tree. And he had an idea. What do you think? What is this idea? What is Mittu going to do with this big red balloon? What do you think? What is Mittu going to do? Oh, okay. Let's see if your guess is right or wrong. He picked up the red balloon. He was careful not to burst it. Okay, he need to be careful because balloon can burst. It is all air inside the balloon and Mittu's red sharp beak can burst the balloon. He flew to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Oh, so Mittu took the red balloon to mango tree and Crow was sitting on the tree. Mittu went behind the tree. Oh, so this time Mittu didn't came from the front. He went behind the tree. What do you think now Mittu is going to do with this red balloon? Well, yes, he peeked the balloon with his red beak. Pop! The balloon burst. It made a loud noise like pop. Caw! said the crow. And he fell off the tree. Oh, so Mithu scared the crow by bursting red balloon, and the sound, the pop sound, the loud noise of pop scared the crow, and he fell off the tree. Cow, cow, a big gun is after me, said the crow. Oh, so the crow thought that a big gun is after him, and maybe a hunter is there to fire him. So he was scared with the noise of red balloon, and he flew away. He never came back to the tree. Look how scared the crow is looking in this picture. And what is Mithu doing? He's bursting the balloon, the red balloon, and it popped, which scared the crow, and he flew away. Let's see what happens next in the story. Mithu came to the tree. He ate the big yellow mango. Yummy, yummy. What a nice mango, he said. He was very happy. Clever Mithu. So, at the end, the clever Mithu enjoyed his yummy, yummy big yellow mango, and with his clever mind, he scared the crow by bursting red balloon. Now you tell me, did you enjoy the story? You liked it or you don't like it? And who was your favorite character from the story? But before that, I wanted to know who were the characters, two characters of the story. Do you know who were the characters in the story? The story was about whom? Think about it. Who is a character? A character is the person and or animals in the story. Okay, so the stories can be about some people or some animals, or they can be about both people or animals. So all the peoples and all the animals who are there in the story are known as character of the story. So now can you guess who were the two characters in the story? Mithu and the yellow mango. Can you guess? Well, yes, you are right. The characters of the story, Mithu and the yellow mango, were Mithu and the crow. Now let's first discuss about Mithu. Mithu was a green parrot with a red beak. Mithu loves to fly. Mithu loves to eat big yellow mangoes. Mithu was a clever parrot. Now let's discuss about the second character, Crow. Crow was a black angry bird. Crow had a very loud voice. Crow shouted at Mithu. Crow got scared with the bursting sound of balloon. Now let's see what did we do today. We read the story Mithu and the Yellow Mango. We met the characters of the story and discussed about the characters of the story. The two characters, Mithu and the Crow. I hope you enjoyed the story and loved discussing about the two characters of the story, Mithu and the Crow. Do share this with your friends and ask them the same questions. We will meet again with another story and some other fun task. Till then, bye bye.